Highlights from our free Microsoft Excel training organized by 24Asia, held on 13th July 2025 at Singapore Management University. This training was designed to equip beginners with essential skills in Microsoft Excel, one of most widely used tools in workplaces around the world. A total of 128 students joined us for this hands-on learning experience. Guided by our experienced trainer Nazmul Khan and supported by 10 facilitators who ensured every attendee received personalized attention and support. We are proud of all participants for their enthusiasm, focus, and commitment throughout the training. This session was a great step forward for everyone. One of the memorable moments of this session was the appearance of our special guest, Mr. Mohammed Irshad, who delivered an inspiring and motivational message to all attendees. Appreciation certificates were also awarded to those who volunteered, shared their time, effort, and support to 24Asia. Stay connected with us for more skill-based training, activities, and workshops.